I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to decorate my planner for June in my Paper House Productions planner and using their products as well. Look at this unicorn. Isn't that the coolest? Yeah, so while I'm doing that, I'm also going to be talking about the importance of good habits. So stay tuned. Hi there, it's Scare from the Hooting Pirate, and today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. So I am going to be decorating my planner for June using these fabulous products, but at the same time, instead of putting music over or explaining what I'm doing, I'm actually going to talk about the importance of good habits. So this is a start of a short series. I'm going to do a few videos over the next few weeks about productivity, motivation, and we're starting with habits. Last week I did a video on procrastination, so you can watch that as well. That's sort of part of the series. Yeah, so we're going to talk about habits, the importance of habits, how to create habits, and some of habits of successful people. So stay tuned for those videos, and let's get to it.
So why is it so important that we base our lives on good habits? Well, basically it's because our habits make up who we are. We are an accumulation of the things we do, and Gandhi says that your habits become your values. So if you want to have good values, if you want your life to be wonderful, full of things that you like to do, then it starts with habits. Now, I know it's hard to change a bad habit into a good habit. Hopefully what I say today will give you a little bit of motivation to make sure that you've got some good habits in your day. I have a quote from Brian Tracy that I'm going to read to you. 95% of everything you do is a result of your habits, either helpful or hurtful. So, of course, you want to have more helpful than hurtful habits in your life. They allow you to reach your goals because every time you perform that habit, it's like a baby step in the right direction. Or if it's a bad habit, it's taking you in the other direction. It's not the goal itself that sort of gets you there, but it's the habit. The thing you do day in and day out, every day, that will bring you to your goal. It's sort of like Lego, right? You put one brick down at a time. And once you get enough bricks, you've got, a huge Lego Millennium Falcon or something. Habits also help you decrease wasted time. You waste less time if something's a habit, because you're simply going to do it because you know what to do already and you're going to be more efficient. Habits also sort of take away your need for motivation. If you have the habit of doing it already, you don't have to build yourself up. You don't have to get yourself motivated to do the task or whatever you're planning on doing. Because if it's a habit, you're just gonna do it because it's not even, you don't even need to think about it anymore. You don't have to motivate yourself. It's just already done. The decision is already made. Another benefit of having that decision already made for you is that it doesn't decrease your daily amount of willpower. Our willpower is limited. Every day you get like a set amount, and as you go through the day and you have to make decisions after decisions, even if it's the little ones like what I'm going to have for breakfast, those decrease your willpower during the day. So if you've got something set as a habit, you don't have to make the decision every day, and it's just going to get done. I have oatmeal for breakfast every morning, so it doesn't I don't have to use up my willpower to make that decision. What's a good habit that you have that you're sort of proud of, that you do every day or maybe every weekday that you're really proud of? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite good habit is. So let's just do a little recap here. So these are my reasons why it's important to have good habits. Number one is that they make up who you are. They are the foundation of you, the basis of who you are. For example, if you go for a run a couple times a week or once a week or every day, then you can consider yourself a runner. Of course, it's not the only thing, and you're going to have different habits that do different parts of your personality. But basically, if you're doing something on a regular basis, it's really going to affect who you are. Number two, it allows you to reach your goals. Putting together something every day gets you every day a baby step towards your goal. Number three is that it reduces the time that you waste because you know what to do. Number 4 is you don't need to motivate yourself to get things done. And number 5, you take the decision out of things so that you don't waste your willpower for the day. So I'm pretty much done here with my spread, my monthly spread for June. If you want to see some pictures of that, you can check out my blog and my Instagram. I'll have pictures up there for you to see a little bit closer up. If you like this idea of me teaching things as you watch me create, I'm doing a series. So over the next few weeks, I'll be doing some of these videos. I'm doing how to create these habits, these good habits. Different habits of successful people, whether they're just rich or happy or whatever, and habit tracking. And I also did one last week about how to stop procrastinating, so check that out. I will have a link to a playlist for all these for you. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I do lots of videos like this as well to keep you not only organized, productive, and on top of things with your planner, but also videos to make sure that planner's cute. So that when you open it up, makes you smile, and it really makes you proud of, what you've accomplished. Not only the tasks that you have accomplished, but that you've made it really pretty. Because it's also a creative outlet for us as well, isn't it? It's wonderful to have a place that keeps us organized, but it's so nice to have a place to express our creativity, have a little me time, experiment, and really have fun. So have a wonderful day and happy planning. We'll see you next time.